Our topic today, pag-usapan natin, why do we go to school? Bakit kayo pumupunta sa paaralan? Ba't kayo nag-aaral? Pinapahirapan lang natin sarili natin, di ba? Pumupunta tayo sa school. Tapos binibigyan tayo ng test. Tapos ang hirap pa ng test. Bakit natin pinapahirapan sarili natin? One proof na hindi mo kailangan pumasok para matuto. Yung mga bata ngayon, 3 years old, 4 years old, ang galing mag-English kasi may hawak na YouTube na sa cellphone nila, nanonood ng Peppa Pig. So yung accent nila pang Peppa Pig. Hello, I'm Peppa Pig. And this is my father George. Yung mga 3 years old saka 4 years old, ganun magsalita. Tanong, pumunta ba sila sa school? Hindi naman eh. Ba't sila natuto? So going to school to learn is not the main reason. You could learn outside of the school. I'd like to introduce myself. I am Donald Osorio, a public school teacher here in Lapu-Lapu City, teaching for 15 years now. And I've learned along the way why we should go to school. And going to school to learn is just part of the reason. But that is not the main reason. Bibigyan ko kayo ng clue. Driving a motorcycle, you could drive without a license, right? You could be better driver than with those who have license. But why do you need to go to LTO and to register? Why? Yun yung pareho rin yung tanong na bakit kailangan natin pumunta sa school? I learned that going to school and learning, not the main reason. We go to school so that when we graduate, we will be accepted at work. That's the sad reality. Kasi may nag-comment sa akin, sabi, mali ka sir, bakit yung tinuturo mo, yung sa students mo maghanap ng magandang trabaho para may matanggap ng malaking sweldo. Of course, pumupunta tayo sa school para pagkatapos nating graduate, makakapasok tayo sa trabaho. Kasi yung business, hindi mo kailangan ng school. Kailangan mo dyan pera. May pera ka, kahit wala kang pinag-aralan, you could start a business. Pero mas maganda yung may pinag-aralan ka tapos may business ka. Di ba? Pero ang ibig kong sabihin nun, hindi mo kailangan maging honor student para makapagsimula ka ng business. Well, sa school, gusto mo mataas yung grades mo, ikaw yung pinakamatalino, para pag graduate ka, ikaw yung mas malaki ang possibility na matanggap sa trabaho. Mas mataas yung grades mo, mas malaki ang possibility na malaki yung sahod mo. So meaning, the school is preparing the learners for employment. We go to school not to learn. We can learn anywhere. We can learn from our parents. We can learn through Google. We can learn through YouTube. Minsan nga, mas naniniwala pa ako sa YouTube. Teacher nga ako. But you go to school so that you could have a grade. You go to school so you could have a diploma. And when you go to work, when you apply for work, you show them your grades. You show them your diploma. And you could have higher salary. And that's the answer to my question, why we go to school. So, Happy New Year. That's the sad reality, but that's the truth. Happy New Year, guys.